On this Waymo app tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add multiple stops or add multiple destinations when having a Waymo ride. Pretty simple and straightforward. Let's say I'm on the app, and let's say I'm going to go from, let's say, Grain to Brennan's, 2 great bars here in LA. What I'm going to do, where the arrow's pointing to, is I'm going to click add a stop or round trip. This is then going to pop up. Now let's say I want to do a round trip ride. I want to start at my destination, go to another one, and then come right back. I can click make a round trip. But I think for most people watching this video, you want to go somewhere else, have 3 different points of destination. So let's say I want to stop at Bristol Farms. I'm at Grain. I want to go to Bristol Farms, the grocery store, get like a Gatorade or a snack, then go to Brennan's. I'm going to click Bristol Farms. Once I do, I now have 3 different destinations or 3 different stops. Here's what's really important. You can see where the arrow is pointing to, those 3 lines. This allows you to change the order. And when it comes to Waymo, when you add a new stop or a new destination, it always puts it at the bottom. So in this case right now, I'm starting at Grain, then going to Brennan's, then going to Bristol Farms. So what I can do is click those 3 arrows and move it around. And in this case now, once I do, you can see now the order is switched. Now I'm starting at Grain, going to Bristol Farms, and then lastly ending up at Brennan's. A couple things I do want to say before I finish this video. One, of course, just double check that the order is correct. Like I said, when you add a new stop onto Waymo, it puts it at the bottom of the list. I don't know why they do that. I feel like it makes more sense to put it in the middle if you're adding a stop, but just keep in mind, double check the order. The second thing, and this is probably not surprising, but I do have to mention it, more likely than not, or almost 100% of the time I might say, the trip fare will be more expensive. If you're just going from point A to point B, it's of course going to be cheaper than point A to point B to then a point C. So keep in mind your fare when it comes to Waymo will be more expensive.